what is, first of all, the mahram? The mahram is the person whom she may not marry for perpetually. That means she can never marry this woman to this person with a halal reason or permissible reason which make her prohibited. And that could be, for example, through the blood, which is relationship, like the father, like the son, like the nephew, like the uncle, the grandfather. So he is perpetually haram for him to marry her. Or through marriage, like the father-in-law, the father of her husband, okay? And regardless how far he goes up, or the son of her husband, regardless how low he goes, like the son of the son, all of those are maharim onto the woman. Or the third reason, which is the breastfeeding. So she has got a father through breastfeeding, she's got a son through breastfeeding. How can she have a father breastfeeding? I mean, she had drank from a woman this woman, she had a husband. This husband becomes, just like that mother becomes a mother to her, that husband becomes, through fostering, her father. So the same thing, whatever is haram through blood relationship, it is haram through as well the breastfeeding. So the same thing. So this is maharim. The maharim is the person who is not allowed to marry to this woman perpetually with a reason which is permissible that makes it prohibited. And this reason is, like as I said, could be blood, could be marriage, or could be breastfeeding.